Hello kitty girls, long time no vlog. I'm getting ready to skip school and go shoe shopping because I have a concert to go to tomorrow.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay, I know. I have no shoes. Plan A isn't gonna work out because the shoe shop I was gonna take my shoes to get colored is closed on Mondays. They're allergic to money, obviously. But sneak peek at the dress since, you know, we're all fam in the club.
Can I hear a little commotion for the dress?
Forever 21 had an amazing Black Friday sale, which most shops didn't. But they had half off everything in the store, and I got this little white sequin thing because I thought it would be easy to style, but my brain isn't the best. I'm thinking white tights, white shoes give milk, or red tights, red shoes, very Pinterest, and I have a purse to match that. So we'll see what the stores have, but
You talking to yourself?
no, I'm vlogging. Thanks. Let me ask the audience. This is what we're working with though. This is what we have to match and find something to go with. So come on, let's go shopping.
I'm in the ghetto.
You see how I'm dainty and demure and have my dress in my hand because they'll accuse you of stealing? Yeah. Maybe something like this. No? Do you see the vision though? I could do red shoe, red tight, but if the color match isn't right, then it's not even worth it. They have like these spiral shoes, which kind of match like the design on the side, do you see? So that's something as well. After pacing around in circles, I finally found a shoe, and now we gotta go to Target to see if I can find a tight to match. It's not red, it's wine. Listen, this is red, right? Wine. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, should I show the honorable mentions or do you not care? Do you not, como se dice, care at all? I care, so I'm going to. I tried these ones on, but I didn't like the way that the point was very, very catching roaches in the corner. You remember these shoes that I said match the detail on my dress? I don't like how they're open-toed. It's gonna be freezing. I thought these were cute. Very Sabrina Carpenter. Where did those shoes go? It doesn't really matter. They were ugly, so off to Target. Do we see them? Do you see them before I do? Uh-oh, guys. This Target just ran through. What the fuck? Hold on. I am leaving the establishment empty-handed because this Target did not have the color I needed. What Target? Where is valet? Somebody call the valet. Okay, take 2 at Target, but I did my research this time, so they should definitely have what I need. So let's see, we've been the corner. Oh my gosh, am I about to be upset? Wait. You guys, where is everything? Where is everything? Okay, now I'm confused because, there we go. Okay, they were $6 online, but I can't complain. What size? These are small. Let's get those. Do you see the difference? I should have brought the shoes in to show you, but you'll see when we get dressed. I'm so happy. It only took 2 stores, but no basket necessary. This is all I came for, so let's check out. Okay, update. This is what we're working with. We're about to see Exhibit A and Exhibit B. I think that's pretty darn close enough, if you ask me. Good enough. I'm happy. You're happy. Just be happy. It's going to give what it needs to give. And nobody's going to say anything about it. If I have on 3 different reds, then oh well. It's low-key a little bit of a hoochie. I didn't know it was showing that much hip like that. Didn't know it was like that. Roll down the waistband or perform surgery to my tights. But either way, she's cute. We figured it out. Do you want to see the inspo pic? Because I'm not creative, I'm not original. I got this from Pinterest. This was the first girl who I copied. I bit her entire flow. And this is who I want to be so bad. I want to be her when I grow up. Yeah, those were my 2 inspo pics. And tomorrow when we put that fit on, we'll see if we accomplished. It's so funny. It's not funny, but very serendipitous. When we were inside the shoe store, they were talking about on the radio where I'm going tomorrow. I didn't know it was like an event, but I guess so. Megan the trainer will be there.
Megan the trainer is another one going through it, see?
Cat's eye. But I want to see Madison Beer.
An honor to say the least, so thanks for being at my first junior bar with me. It means so much.
My gaming setup.
Do y'all see? Do we see?
Watch.